Hello all. In the previous video, I did a 10-minute video tutorial on how to use this Google Calendar, especially for beginners. I have detailedly step by step explained how you can create events and how you can share with your colleagues or friends or family and everything, each and everything about events and calendar handling and how you can view the calendars and how you can edit. So I'll drop the link in the description if anyone missed. In this video, we'll see how you can create a new calendar, completely new calendar. So when you log into calendar.google.com on your browser, this is what you will see. If your calendar looks something like this, you need to click on these three bars so that at left side you will see something like my calendars. So these are the available calendars. To create a new calendar, you need to click on this plus symbol so that you'll get this option like create new calendar. So click on create new calendar and here you can give some name to this calendar. That may be something like office work or something like that. This calendar may be dedicated to completely office purpose. Maybe the meeting with the colleagues, the meeting with the other businessmen, or the whatever the events or tasks or whatever you manage. Through this you can manage. So you can write the description or you can leave it to something like that, or this is related to office work, something like that. Not a mandatory field. You can change the location if the office work related events falls under different location. You can click on this drop down and you can keep to whatever you want, but now I'm just clicking on creating calendar. As soon as you click on create calendar, there will be one more calendar added to this list. See here, office work has been added. So I'll just click on this back button of the settings so that I'll enter into my home page calendar.google.com and see here under my calendars there is office work newly assigned. So with this color, see here, I can change the color to something else, because for example if I want to keep this color, so all the events which are under this office work will be represented in this color. What I'll do is on Monday today at 9 am I'll quickly create one event, just a dummy event, like meeting with Sam. This is remember, this is a sample dummy event. I'll quickly create. This is on Monday, October 7, 8 am to 9 am. This is one time event, so I'm just keeping it to does not repeat. For example, if this event falls for 3 more days, you can keep something like on Tuesday, on Wednesday. Okay, yes. After 3 occurrences, it's going to be end. Okay, that's it. Yeah. Weekly on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, 3 times. Okay. Then I'm just adding the other person. Maybe you can enter the other person email ID. Okay, fine. So there will be invitation sent. Okay, you need to remember that. And you can enter the location for the meeting.
Okay, once you enter these location details, here you will get an option called preview in maps. When you tap on this, there is maps preview, Google Maps preview open at the right side, and here you can get to know more about this location details, and here you can click on these directions if you are traveling to that location. In that way also this will be useful. And after that you need to click on this notification here. Before starting this meeting schedule, maybe 8 a.m. See, just before 10 minutes, there will be a notification sent to your phone so that you have to attend so and so meeting, or you have to do this event, or to reach some other location. So, whatever the set time may be, you can keep something like 30 minutes before, or 2 days before, something like, see here, 2 days before, there will be a notification added. You can add more notifications also. And this is important. By default, this will be something like your other calendar. Then you can click on this office work what we have just created, the new calendar. So by clicking on this drop down, you can click on this office work so that immediately the color changes to this what is it called, purple. And yes, you can add later the description details, meeting to discuss the project or something like that. Yes, once everything is done, you can click on this save here so that this event gets saved. I'll click on this invitation to be sent to the other person because I want to send. See here, the 3 days there is a meeting which is of this color, which means all these 3 calendar day events is with office work related events. So in this way you can create a new calendar and create some quick events, so that when you have other events filled up with on this week, you'll clearly get to know these are the office work related events. I hope you like this tutorial. And one thing, before closing, if you have any questions, please do ask in the comments, so that it will be something like supporting me, so that I can do another tutorials on your questions, basing on your questions. And I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.